Oh, hi there. My name is Palavan. I'm a Chinese currently living in Shanghai. I noticed that recently there are so many foreign travelers come to China. They visited places like Shanghai, Beijing, Chongqing, Chengdu, Xi'an. Those are nice places though. But after seeing too many, you may get the feeling of aesthetic fatigue. For example, if I say Shanghai, what do you recall? The tall buildings, the busy streets, the crowded people? Oh yes, these are really very stereotypical. Actually, there are so many sides of it, and today I'm going to show you one side which is very unfamiliar to many people, especially for the foreign visitors. That's the natural side. Okay, let's go.
This is Sheshan Mountain, a free and beautiful forest park located in the west of Shanghai.
The Shanghai Mountain is close to my living community. It's about 20 minutes biking. In the early mornings of every day, about from 9 to 12 o'clock, there are a few people on it. So naturally, I take it as my secret garden, and I visit it here every weekend morning.
Now I'm at the foot of the hill. See, it's not high, about 70 meters, so hiking here is easy. The difficulty level, I think, is leisure. I even wear my slippers. Whew, I'm close to the top now. For newcomers, the default option for climbing this mountain is to go to the top. But for old drivers such as me, we don't do that, because the scenery at the top is just so-so. Here is a fork in the road. There are two other trails on the left and the right sides. Both are more beautiful than the top. Today, let's take the right trail first.
请注意游园安全，文明游园。谢谢您的配合。
Dear tourists, welcome to Shishan National Forest Park. Smoking, barbecue, camping, use of open plains, and dangerous items, including
See the view here.
inflatables and explosives, are officially prohibited in the park.
Now let's go this way.
Animals or littering is not allowed. Please cherish the flowers and plants in the park. Climbing on trees and cliffs are very dangerous. Please be a civilized tourist. Thank you for your cooperation.
Here you can see the trail is a plank road stretching into a bamboo forest, which is very Chinese style. The bamboo is a very popular plant in China. It grows fast, looks pretty, and can be used to make many odds and ends. It has already been a cultural symbol for us. In the ancient times, we have many poems describing them. But don't worry, I know you are not interested, so I don't have the intention to recite any. Let's just enjoy the view quietly.
Let's take this way down.
I'm not a person who likes a lively lifestyle. I like my own space and time, embracing nature, so I seldom go downtown when I don't work. Sheshan Mountain gives me a perfect place to rest. I can hike and meditate here. My respiration even gets smoother. Now I'm back on the plank road again. In autumn and winter, it may be foggy in the morning. By then, the trail will lead into the mist, looking like walking on clouds. I didn't record it the last time there was a foggy day. That was a pity. And I think I won't miss the next time. Okay, that's the end of this video. If you like, please smash the like button below. In the next video, I'm going to show you the other trail, which is a totally different view, and I'm sure you're going to like that. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions about the unfamiliar sides or true sides of China, just leave a comment and then I will reply. Thank you.